It is now 4:00 p.m. on August 13th Beijing time. Last Friday, the video suggested that EURUSD should short sale above 1.1045. After it was sent out, the entry point was not reached and fell from 1.1005 to 1.0926 ahead of schedule, with a total drop of 79 points. Then there's gold. Last Friday, it was recommended to go long below 1906. After the release, there is no chance to enter the market. The maximum fluctuation is only $10. Although intraday pending orders have no chance to enter the market. Lauda's main account has been using EA programs to automatically trade high-weight EURUSD, double portfolios, and light lots trading, which maintains a monthly income of 10 to 70%. From August 1st to today, the cumulative income is $18,344. Since August, the market has become stable and active. It is expected that the monthly rate of return will reach 17% by the end of the month. If you want to observe the historical operation records and the whole process of daily real-time trading, add the contact information on the screen to ask for the main account. There will be a week of time to observe, and then consider joining the trader group or participating in account management business to copy trading if it suits you. How to operate today? Let's look at EURUSD first. The recent continuous upward movement of the US dollar index is the biggest factor that weighs on EURUSD. Whether it is the expectation of a soft landing for the US economy or the fact that the actual interest rate is better than that of the Eurozone, the exchange rate in EURUSD is close to this month's low of 1.1913. If it breaks down, it may cause greater downward pressure, but there is no big risk time this week, and it is difficult to further open the decline. If the exchange rate can be supported at 1.0913 to 1.0880, or it can be ease the short-term downward pressure and have a certain rebound. It is recommended that EURUSD go long at 1.0905 to 1.0840 and stop loss at 1.0830. After the US PPI data exceeded expectations and the US debt and the US dollar index years lows, the price of gold was also surprised, and finally temporarily supported around 1910.2. If the gold price falls below this level, you can pay attention to the 1900. This is also a support point for the medium and long term. It is expected that the long funds will have certain defensive actions. It is recommended to do long positions at 1902 to 1889, put stop loss at 1887 within the day. Now that the two targets are in the critical long-short confrontation range, pay attention to reducing the number of positions and setting stop loss before operating. In addition to Europe and gold, 2 to 3 products will be selected from the 5 targets of GBP, AUD, JPY, silver, and crude oil, including their supports, resistance, and directions will be given for reference. The upper part is last Friday's signals review chart, and the lower part is today's point view sharing, but it is only recommended for traders who have a certain short-term trading basis. The target point is not placed on the video. Lauda will also watch the market trend and notify more accurate selling tips in the group. Scan the QR code on the top of the screen for cooperation consultation, and contact me. Finally, I will give you a famous quote from Steve Jobs.